Cheryl Burdelik with LPT Realty, and welcome to BeachWalk by Manasota Key. Today we are featuring the Mystique floor plan, and there are some really unique features in this one, so I can't wait to show you all about it. While we're out here, I want to just point out we have stucco construction with block all the way up with nice tiled roofs, and the landscaping is all taken care of by the HOA here, so it's nice to just move in and enjoy this lifestyle. So let's come on in. I'd like to point out how they have a nice stained glass door here, and these windows and doors are all hurricane high impact. Look at this unique bar. This is one of a kind you're not going to find in any other home but here. And they did a gorgeous job with the granite, the cabinetry. They even have a refrigerator here, plenty of storage once again. Ready for a drink? Let me take you over here to the living room. Look at this gorgeous fireplace. Can you see having parties here? This is a very popular floor plan for a reason, because there's so much space with the double doors leading out to this gorgeous backyard, which I will show you in a minute. I like to share the rest of the room here. You could put a nice dining table here, either rectangular or round, but they chose to make this space wide open for large gatherings. You could see this is a total entertainment house. Then over here in the kitchen, they do the upgrade of the gourmet kitchen. They got the stacked ovens and the hood, as well as the stovetop. Look at the size of this island. And what I like about these islands is that they have extra storage on the end. So you have plenty of space here. Just imagine waking up to beautiful water views right outside your window. Beautiful size. Again, beautiful woodwork. They did the tray ceilings as well as recessed lighting. And now we'll take you to the ensuite, like how they did the shiplap here. You have the option of going with one big shower like they did, or you could do a shower tub combo, or the shower and vanity. So they went with a nice large shower and carried the tile all the way up. It's beautiful. They did the dual sinks here. Shaker cabinets, counters are the Quartz. So they carry the theme throughout the whole house. And then back here is a nice spacious closet. Now let me show you the second bedroom over here across the hall. What's nice about this is it has an ensuite bathroom. And again, they did the nice woodwork on the wall. I love how they made each one unique. And right off of this bedroom is the ensuite bathroom. They did the shower and tub combo. So this way, if you have little kiddos, or if you would like to soak, you've got that option, as well as the shaker cabinets and the Quartz countertops. I wanted to point out that he did ceramic tile, the nice big squares, and they did it all rooms, so there's no carpeting in this house. First, we're gonna look at the first guest room here. This is one of three, so this is a true 3-bedroom with a flex room and 3 baths. So look at the beautiful woodwork that they did on the wall here. You're gonna find that throughout the whole house, and that's what makes this so unique and special. Right off the guest room is the guest bath. So you'll see they did nice tile work that complements the floor. The frameless glass doors. They did the shaker cabinets along with the Quartz countertops. Now let me show you the flex room. It's right here. They chose to do the French door style. So you've got your double doors. Again, they carry the tile throughout with the nice plantation shutters. It's a good sized room. So I wanted to show you the laundry room because typically there's just a rack going across, but they went ahead and upgraded it, putting in all these beautiful cabinets on the top and bottom, as well as over here above the washer and dryer. So you have tons of storage in this house. Now let's take a look outside. This is what the Florida lifestyle is all about. You've got your shaded area here, plenty of room for entertainment. Got the big screen over here, and look at this gorgeous pool with the water feature. And you've got this gorgeous water view over here. So now let's talk about the amenities here. You truly feel like you're living on vacation. We have this resort-style pool with palm trees all around it, a lap pool, a 22-person jacuzzi, plus we have pickleball, tennis, bocce ball. We just opened up the High Tide Bar and Grill, so it's right off the pool there where everybody can gather, play in the pool, get a snack, and go hang out with all your friends. 5 minutes from the beach, 10 minutes by golf cart. Yes, you can drive your golf cart right here from the community, right to the beach. We have 3 beaches that you can get to, and there's restaurants and shops. It just adds a whole nother level of living here. So you've got this whole resort style community. Oh, and there's an amenity center as well as an athletic center, which I visit every morning. And that is just the beginning. We're going to be putting in another building and create one athletic center, and then that will be the new clubhouse, and it's going to be amazing. We're also opening up an indoor dining, more upscale restaurant. So we'll have the outdoor sports bar, and then we'll have the indoor. And that overlooks the lake, as well as a nice, beautiful boardwalk, fire pits. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it because I do live here, and I built here, and I'm more than happy to help you with any of your selections, but this house it has it all. So if you like what you see on my content here, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.